Chapter to the birds of prey. The black kite, dhar. The black kite, dhar, is a medium-sized bird with overall dark plumage, making it easily recognizable. It is commonly found in urban areas, near rubbish dumps, aquatic habitats, and grasslands. This bird is often seen in small groups as it searches for food. Known for its sharp eyesight, the black kite feeds on small animals, insects, and scavenged food. Its adaptability to various environments makes it one of the most widespread birds in many regions. The black-winged kite, kapashi. The black-winged kite, kapashi, is a small bird known for its striking appearance, with dark wings and a white body. The female is slightly larger than the male. This bird is nomadic, moving around its range in search of prey, which includes small rodents and insects. The black-winged kite often hunts by hovering midair, using its keen eyesight to spot prey below. The Brahmani kite, Brahmani. The Brahmani kite, Brahmani, is a medium-sized raptor also known as the white-headed kite due to its distinctive white head and chest. These birds are widespread throughout tropical Asia and are often seen near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Brahmani kites forage by flying low above the ground or water, skillfully snatching live prey from the surface. Their diet primarily consists of small fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic animals. The shikra. The shikra is a small to medium-sized bird of prey that can be found in dense forests, open farmland, and even urban areas. It is a migratory bird, moving to different regions depending on the season. The shikra hunts from a perch, often hidden within dense vegetation, using its keen eyesight to spot small prey like birds and insects. Known for its agility and stealth, the shikra is an efficient hunter and is widely distributed across parts of Asia and Africa. The short-toed snake eagle, Garuda. The short-toed snake eagle, Garuda, is a medium-sized bird known for its impressive soaring abilities. It is typically seen soaring over hill slopes, hilltops, and plains, often searching for prey in open spaces. This eagle specializes in hunting snakes and has exceptional keen eyesight. When hunting, it may dive from heights of up to 400 meters to catch a snake with precision. The white-rumped vulture, Giddha. The white-rumped vulture, Giddha, is a medium-sized, scruffy scavenger that was once the most common vulture in India. Sadly, it is now critically endangered and facing a high risk of extinction. One of the primary reasons for its declining population is the use of a drug called diclofenac, which is commonly given to livestock. When vultures consume animals treated with this drug, it is harmful to them, leading to kidney failure and death. Fun fact: vultures live in every part of the world except Australia and Antarctica. Vultures can glide in the air for hours without flapping their wings.